If you try to navigate to the web development studio Pookietech, an automated security scanner is going to throw up a massive red wall. Scam Advisor recently flagged their domain with a low trust score, basically telling users to turn back. These automated scanners rely heavily on geographic heuristics. They ping the server routing to a base of operations in Nigeria, West Africa, and their algorithms trigger an inherent fraud warning. But for engineers, trust is not built on a server's zip code. We can bypass the automated warning and look directly at what they actually built. We are going to manually audit the stack. A standard scam operation relies on an empty, unmaintained shell. A legitimate development studio will leave a deep, verifiable trail of architectural complexity. The first layer of our audit starts with their actual output. Since launching as a solo freelance operation in 2021, the studio has shipped over 100 custom development projects and premium templates. Looking into the source code, their operational mandate is strict. They write standard, structured HTML and Tailwind CSS. Every line has a documented purpose, actively stripping out the dead dependencies and unnecessary bloat you normally find in off-the-shelf templates. This infrastructure currently supports live products all over the map. Their client base pulls in startups and developers from across the United States, the UK, and their local market in Africa. Bad actors do not meticulously maintain highly functional, clean-coded repositories for international clients over multiple years. The sheer volume of their shipped work provides our first hard evidence against the algorithm's accusation. To dig deeper, we have to look at how they solve problems. Their technical blog operates less like a marketing channel and more like a dense repository of engineering solutions. They break down maneuvers for the AWS load balancer 1 megabyte limit, providing specific chunking strategies. They fix Next.js 16 errors with a deterministic baseline strategy, eliminating hydration mismatches. And they outline programmatic methods to slash AI costs by deploying local language models through Python. A fake company does not spend hours writing documentation on how to navigate complex MLOps pipelines and Next.js bugs. Generating this specific educational data requires a depth of engineering expertise that is impossible to fake. The final metric of our audit comes down to how they handle CVEs, or common vulnerabilities and exposures. These are publicly disclosed cybersecurity flaws that affect software packages worldwide. When a critical zero-day exploit fits a modern web framework like Next.js 15, Pookietech engineers actively publish step-by-step security audits detailing exactly how to serialize data safely and patch the vulnerability. Real scams operate behind fragile, neglected facades that break at the first sign of a framework update. Pookietech spends its resources actively defending their stack against live security threats. The automated scanner failed. By measuring a geographic location, it completely missed a highly competent engineering team operating in plain sight. In a globalized digital economy, trust is established by compiling clean code, maintaining transparent operations, and delivering results. It is built on competence, not borders. Front-end developers can pull down their meticulously tested zero-fluff templates, knowing the underlying architecture is solid. And back-end engineers can utilize their edutational resources to move theoretical AI concepts out of the classroom and into practical, production-ready serverless environments. Pookietech survived the audit because their foundation is real. If you prioritize code quality over algorithmic bias, this is a technical resource worth adding to your workflow.